I'll never
Hello guys, this is your girl LishaJoya. Thank you for coming to this YouTube video today. We appreciate your time in watching this video. Just want to let you know that Miss Butterfly has released a new rewards card system, which requires us to do a few new things. Now, the old reward card system and the old converters will not be working or be compatible with this system. So you're going to need to be able to get the new reward system. Now, to be able to get it, you have to go to PAPILLON Breedables, which is on a sim called Grouse. It's 4025, 1,240 meters up in the air. I'll put the actual link in the description, the SL URL. I'll also put the actual link inside the actual video itself. But again, it is 4025, 1,240 meters in the air on a sim called Grouse. When you need to find this awesome gift card reward system, it's going to be in this beautiful purple box. It will say gift card system version 2 2023 release. It will have a few items inside that you're going to need to have rezzed out. It's going to have the bouncer, the gift card updater, the multi-converter, the omni converter, and the rewards card itself. Now, the bouncer will be what you need to have rezzed out in order for you to be able to get points for your live bugs and live plants. You have your gift card updater, because you have to update the gift card itself. Then you have the multi-converter, which will be to convert your starters. And yes, you can do all of your starters that say starter in the title of the object. You can do the omni-converter, which does all of your bugs, cocoons, plants, all your seedlings, and things like that, all in one. So this is beautiful. This, you can do everything in one converter instead of having 5, 10, 20 of them out at one time, taking up scripts and prints. Then you have the rewards card itself. Now after that, you want to set this to a place that's not so laggy. So make sure you have your omni converter. This one will be for all of your cocoons, your plant seeds, and it will handle thousands of them in one go. Just load it up. And then you have the multi-converter. It does candies, gifts, starters, and so on and so forth. This is version 2.3. And then over here is your bouncer. So we're going to go through and show you how each one of these things work. You're also going to need to have your rewards card out as well. And now I'm going to show you how it works. So basically you open up your omni converter or your multi converter. Right now, today I'm going to show you the omni converter, but it's the same method as the multi converter. So I'm going to right click, click edit. I'm going to go ahead and go in and find the things I would like to Z-take. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and just grab a few of these plants. It's going to be random plants. Before, you had to have everything in different converters. All your plants had to be in a converter. Only could handle up to 100. Now you can do all of your bugs and your plants all in one go. So after I'm done selecting this, you guys get a chance to watch me do that. We're going to put all this into here. Alright, so it's going to drag and drop. And then it will let you know how many offerings you have. That's how many things you have in here. It would say 24 elements because it's counting the script as another object inside the actual converter itself. Now we're going to go ahead and find some cocoons or something else to beat up real quick. We're going to do some this, and we'll just do some of that. Drag it over here, and it will now count it up. See if I have anything else. We'll just do plants and nexuses for you. Now you click on it, and it will say convert, never mind, transfer or info. We won't get on to transfer yet because there's no need to at this moment. But all you need to do is make sure you have your gift card out first. Click convert, and it will convert and show you how many percentage it is when it's done. And it's so much faster than the old system. Now it will say your rewards card, you have 1,000 and some odd points right here at the top where it says 1,932 points. That's how much points that you have all together. Then it will say you have how many you spent with a modifier and your bonus if you have a bonus or not. Then your Omni converter will let you know how many plants you've converted so far, how many pets converted, also how many points total that were awarded, and it even lets you know what tier level and how many percentage you have left or how much you are in your level. Right now I'm 34.57% in tier 5. When I hit 100%, I'll tier up to tier 6. So now we're going to go to the card. Now it's 1,000 gambles for the basic rewards gamble. Okay, for the basic gamble. Your note card will actually tell you that. I'll put in the description or right on here onto the right hand side the points for every different gamble type. There is the regular rewards gamble. There's the Mondo, the Colossal, the Huge, medium, and the regular. So Grand, Mondo, Colossal, Huge, medium, and regular. And I am at the point where I'm just organizing these different types of accessories that I'm getting from each and every single one of these types of gambles. So I keep things kind of organized and streamlined there. So I know this is only going to be 1,000 points for the basics. So you just let me put my world on and put my online status to available so I can get all my stuff. And then we click it and it says gamble. And here to the right, it will say the regular gamble is 1,000 points per gamble. The medium is 5,000 points per gamble. The huge gamble is 10,000 points. The colossal is 25,000. Mondo is 50,000, and grand is 100,000. And if you can see here, I have two grand, one mondo, one colossal, 2 huge, 0 medium, and 14 regulars. So we're going to click gamble. And we'll say Papillon rewards card, contacting the gift store to retrieve your gift. And since this is one of the prizes, which is the candy pop, this is an F plus bonus. You just accept. And you do that one at a time. Then when you click your contacting server, it will wait for a minute so it doesn't over spam the server. And then we'll let you know how many points you have left. And right now I am shy 68 points from getting from another gamble. And you just keep repeating as you go along, keep converting, keep gambling. Now we're going to go to my inventory. The same card, we're going to type in starter in my inventory. So we're going to go into my inventory, type Papillon plus starter. This says it will do candies and stuff like that. So it only do the pet starters to my knowledge. Waiting. We're waiting. All right. So now we're going to do, while waiting for my inventory, it's at 608,000, so it's bound to jump up. So give it a moment. Alrighty, so I have the frosty egg. We're gonna do all of this in my winter gift box here, here. Come on, and then these are all the starters. We're going to drag and drop right on this converter. And then it says it's going to do some candies, right? So we'll do Papillon plus candy. Let's see what we'll do. And it's only showing my wisp, snowflake seed wisp starter. But we're going to try Papillon and candy. And we're going to wait for the list to populate. See, I have a few of these, if you can tell. We're just going to drag, drop. Now it's going from 1 entry to 9 entries. At least it should go to 9 entries. So we're going to wait for that to load. Then we click on this. And then we click convert. And then it will do the same countdown to how much percentage. And then it says, look, you have gained 495 points plus 45 points for your tier. And look, da-da-da. Now we have enough for another gamble. So I'm going to click the card again. Gamble. And it's contacting the server. Takes a little while. And I got a big candy pop this time. Woohoo! Alrighty guys, we have our little plant tea right on over here ready for converting. Just for this one demonstration. So you need to have this little bouncer out. Make sure it's here. And let you know how many plants, pets, converted, all that fun stuff. So you're going to click on your plant. And this is going to toy it. So it won't be able to breed anymore. So once you do it, it's a permanent process. It's not able to be undone. So you click on it and you click convert. And it will ask you, dude, are you sure? You say, yeah, I'm sure. And then right here, it will say, 1 plant converted, 25 points awarded. And that's it. That's all she wrote. And they automatically get put into your rewards card right on over there. So it is that easy. But then as you can see, this poppy is now in toy mode. You can delete it, put it in a folder for a turn-in need. I'm just going to delete it. I'll call it a day. Hopefully that helps you guys and have fun converting and reducing your inventory. Well guys, that is all she wrote. Hopefully guys that helps you guys. You guys have fun converting your plants, your bugs, all that fun stuff. Hopefully you can walk in a world if you have an inventory as high as mine. God bless. See you guys in the next video. I'm still dreaming of love. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I